Signature Series from Kennedy carries with it the pride of the workers that built the American dream. Each Signature Series chest features a hand-stenciled emblem, signing a century-old promise of quality. The Signature Series hand-carry toolboxes are durable and mobile, perfect for the job on the go. Featuring a removable tote tray with a divider for sockets, cantilever toolboxes are ready to sort and organize small parts or fasteners with customizable trays. Found in virtually every machine shop across the country, the Kennedy Machinists Chest features industrial-grade steel, two-piece welded friction drawer slides that hold up to 50 pounds per drawer, wool felt-lined drawers to protect precision tools, and a drop front panel to conceal and secure drawers. When your job is measured by micrometers, you can depend on Kennedy to keep your precision tools safe and secure. Kennedy Mechanics Chests are constructed of the same industrial-grade steel, featuring heavy-duty drawer slides that hold up to 80 pounds per drawer, aluminum drawer pulls, and heavy-duty plated side handles. A Kennedy Signature Series top chest, mid-chest, or riser is the perfect addition to your roller cabinet or workbench. These units provide additional storage to the tradesman that's expanding their skills. Signature Series products are a must for metalworking, fleet maintenance, MRO, VOTEC, construction, facilities management, and auto tech, providing the strength, durability, and superior storage needed to open, close, and get the job done. Today, the first is still the finest. Every Kennedy is designed and built with the best materials and craftsmanship so it'll last a lifetime. Guaranteed.